reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Trying to get all the screens all hooked up here. Good morning, everybody. All right, just taking a look at financial juice here real quick.
Artlist.io.
Canadian unemployment rates, Canadian unemployment change coming up. Obviously not too much of a red folder. University of Michigan sentiment at 7 a.m. or 10 a.m. East Coast. That'll be something we'll definitely be paying attention to. Just getting caught up on the news here. Okay, so Canadian unemployment already came through, actually. So that's not going to have any effect. Just checking out the charts, and it's looking like our midnight open mechanical model is not going to happen today, since we've already engaged it recently on all three indices. For those of you who don't know, I'm actually just started streaming in sort of in 9/16, which is kind of like phone orientation. So trying something a little different this morning. I have two streams on my channel. One is sort of my vertical camera, and then I also have my full screen with with bookmap and everything. So thought it would be interesting to see what happens if we start streaming out for like viewers that might just be on their phone or tablet that want to see it in like vertical mode, scrolling through the shorts. So, let's see here.
Artlist.io.
All right. Just taking a look at the indices really quick here. What do we got up here? Let's pop this on NASDAQ, make sure we're on the right indice. So we got everything's pretty much been going sideways since the opening in the pre-market. We are popping up a bit right now on the Dow, which is a little bit interesting. The Dow is kind of leading the pack per se.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
All right, here we go.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we got 3 minutes to the bell here. Doing that consolidation thing here. Last time we did something like this where we sold off and we consolidated, we popped up the next day. So hard to not lean a little bit long bias this morning. But we're gonna definitely have to get out of this current range that we've been in since overnight. Looking like Dow's gonna kind of lead the pack today. So that'll be interesting to see.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right.
Artlist.io.
Let's just get everything on NQ here. Okay, we got MNQ. 2 minutes to open here, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we're above value area high on NQ currently. We're just below value area high on MES. And, you know, like I said, the Dow is looking a little bullish. It's starting to take off on its own. So it'll be interesting to see what plays out here. Looking like the ES and NQ are sort of like curling over, yet the Dow is popping up.
Artlist.io.
Right. So 1 minute to the opening here, about 30 seconds. Starting to get a pop here on NQ.
Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. Come on. There's the opening bell. So I just gotta hook up my New York VWAPs here on TradingView. First things first.
Artlist.io.
And we'll take a look at our music here. Let's switch that up a bit. Go with this one. So what's up to everybody who tuned in so far? We got 3 in Randy's X, 2 in my X, 1 in Twitch channel, and 2 in my YouTube channel. And hey, looks like we're gonna get somebody else on today. Hey, there he is.
Doing this morning?
Not bad, not bad. How about you?
I'm all right.
Music
Cool.
licensing
I
reimagined.
think today is going to be a nice short day.
Think so? Like a short trading session, or you mean taking shorts?
Short in duration.
Okay, yeah.
Haven't decided what direction to go yet.
popping up above value area high, or we're pretty well above value area high. That's actually typically means that we're going to be a little bullish, but we'll have to obviously wait for a little bit here to see what's going to happen.
Nah, just go in full port it right now.
Right?
Do it. Full port it right now.
Bullish
I dare you. I double dare you.
That's not the adult way to do it.
No, it is not.
Reimagined.
So I just recently figured out that I can stream also in vertical mode.
What?
So yeah, so I have a second stream going at the same time that's in vertical mode.
All right.
Just for people who might be on their phone, and as they're scrolling through shorts, the live stream will come up.
All right.
Yeah. So currently, I mean, I saw 20 viewers in there at one point. So.
All right. Making it easy for people on their iTelephones.
Yes. So it looks
we have
like
low impact news at 10 o'clock. Is that correct?
Yes. What was it again? The Michigan sentiment.
Oh, all right. Yeah, those Michiganders.
We're not going to be able to trade the mechanical model this morning, the midnight open mechanical model, just because we already engaged it. So, man, Dow's looking bullish right now.
So let's take bets on whether or not the ES goes up over 68.04 today.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, that's a pretty key level especially from Wednesday. That was kind of like the highs during the session on Wednesday, and then we popped up overnight, and then we sold off down below it on the next day, on Thursday.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't think this news is going to have a whole heck of a lot of impact.
Yeah. So taking a look at the book, I got a bunch of orders on NQ at 25,354 area. And what do we got on the ES here? 67.95, 6,800, 68.05. So looking like orders are above currently, and not so much below.
Yeah, it's pretty dark below us.
Well, we had a really sort of like sideways night, and a few days ago when we had that sideways night after the sell-off, we just popped up again. So I'm kind of wondering if we're going to do that again.
A relatively large block of orders down at 67.75 and 67.60, but CVD is up.
Yeah.
You trading NQ or ES today, or haven't decided yet?
To me, yeah, they're both looking pretty similar at the moment. The only thing is maybe ES is a better choice currently because the Dow's ripping up. So
Music licensing reimagined.
it's hard to not get in right now.
Yeah.
Everything's just going higher.
I'm looking at NQ going, oh, I should have been in that around 325, or I'm sorry, 320.
Yeah, right. What a beautiful like support level on the pullback there.
Nice little bit of movement we got here.
We did form a bullish fair value gap right in that area.
Yeah, I like the word bullish.
Artlist.io.
On the 5. Oh, but That's right. This is the 1 minute though, so it's too big.
I swear
Fair value
every
is big.
Music
that?
licensing reimagined.
every minute you spend on the 1 minute, I swear it takes 5 minutes off your life.
a good
Oh,
one.
look at that go.
I know it doesn't want to come back at all here. But we are coming up to pre-market high, so are they just going to sweep that and that's going to be the end of the run? Let's see.
Artlist.io.
But so far we're looking pretty bullish. So
A lot of people buying that dip last night.
yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
Wow.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, don't get crazy here.
I know.
I'm saying that more for me than you.
Yes. Still only 37.
7
Trying to
minutes
pull
into
my
the
rules here.
open, and we've moved. How many points now?
Well, we had a low of 94 or 294, and we're up at 365, so almost 100. We got like 70 points. Something.
Artlist.io.
I think I need some coffee.
Music licensing reimagined.
So, are we gonna have another 2-hour long trade today, or what?
Oh man, I hope not. I want to be in and out as quickly as possible today. It's Friday. I don't want to spend all day here.
Yeah, and we're right back in that channel that we've been working on.
Artlist.io.
I think this is just going to keep ripping higher.
For the foreseeable future, quite possibly, yeah. We got previous day high up at 25,394.
Artlist.io.
Got big blacks of orders up at 412, 400.
Music
orders up at
licensing
425.
reimagined.
All right. Well, that's just fascinating.
Totally. Hey Trevor, hey Jose. You guys are in the vertical stream, just so you know. Me and Nick are in there's another stream on my channel that Nick is in, and me. So I think you guys are you guys in that one? Yeah, you guys are in the vertical stream. So if you want like the full screen effect, you're gonna have to go back to my channel and find the other stream. I think I'm gonna have to start putting like a different I made the mistake of putting the same thumbnail image, so I'll definitely be putting a vertical sort of an indication to show that it's a vertical stream. But yeah, if you guys want to pop over to the full stream, the full size stream, that's where we are, me and Nick currently. And good morning, Dad. Dad's checking in. So we're getting that pullback here to the previous day high, which is pre-market high, sorry. So could be a possible entry. What time we got? We got 5 minutes still on the opening range.
Oh, it's so hard not breaking my rules right now.
I know. Maybe that opening range rule is something that you can break once in a while if it's like a special occasion, but
I know if I go in long right now, I'm getting smoked.
yeah, it's coming back down to the VWAP, right? But they're holding that pre-market high currently.
Artlist.io.
So other than
Artlist.io.
blowing up that PW account, you've been having a pretty good week this week, haven't you?
Yeah, it's been relatively green so far. What did I do? I got well, other than my Tuesday, right? Tuesday was bad. I took that 1,200 loss in all 5 Lucid accounts on the
Music
copy trade.
licensing
I took
reimagined.
two losers basically. I went in, overconfidence, oversized, and that seems to be my problem lately. Anytime that it's those days when you're oversized and you get caught. So,
Oh yeah.
but other than that, I had I made 1,800 Monday, 460 Wednesday, and 400 yesterday. So
Yeah, everybody had a bad Tuesday.
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
I think Tuesday I was down like 12,000 for the day.
oh damn, yeah, oh yeah, that's because you're on Traders Post that day, right?
Yep.
Music licensing.
Yeah, you ended up taking a red day. Mike did. I did. It was just bad news bears.
Yeah, Tuesday was tough unless you caught the short really early, right? There's a lot of top after that, so that was my bad. Is I took a loss on my funded account, and then that kind of like made me want to like continue trading to get it back, right? And then that's when I traded the Lucid accounts, and then I took 2 losses in a row on those, and yeah, in that chop. So yeah, my thoughts exactly.
Ugh. I'm sleepy. I wonder how Randy and Austin are doing right now.
Yeah, they probably had a fun night, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
Randy sent me a message yesterday asking how my day was going.
Yeah.
And I told him it was good, but told him to keep the entire gang from making poor decisions. And his response to that message was, "I'm on my way to the liquor store."
Of course.
So
Yeah, they're having a
Alright.
good time. They need to get away and enjoy it, right?
oh yeah. I'm wondering what their trading is going to be like today.
Artlist.io.
I wonder if today's a day for handoff VWAPs here. I'm gonna go down to the one and pop some handoff VWAPs and see how it's looking. So 6:30 candle, and then the last one to touch
Music
it was
licensing reimagined.
at 6:36. So we're currently holding support perfectly on the handoff VWAP there, and popping up here. You bugger, man. It's not gonna give us a pullback this morning.
I don't think it is.
Artlist.io.
Oh, guys, YM is just so bullish right now.
Oh my gosh. This is getting ridiculous.
Yeah, NQ popped up into
Music licensing
that
reimagined.
channel. People
Hey,
were
and ES.
on. Yeah. Sorry. Go
Yes,
ahead.
hit that 6805.
Yeah.
So oof.
Okay. Well, the range is set.
Artlist.io.
So we're gonna hit all-time highs during a government shutdown on a light news day on a Friday where typically people are selling stocks off and taking profits.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Didn't see that coming, eh? No.
Music licensing.
No,
reimagined.
this morning I was thinking, oh yeah, it's gonna be a day, a couple of shorts, maybe make a couple of $100 per account on shorts, and I'm glad I didn't go into anything. Otherwise, I would have got kicked in the teeth.
Totally. All right. Well, I am a little interested if we come back down to that pre-market high there again. That would be, I think, enough of a pullback for me to start getting involved in this.
Artlist.io.
Hey, Darren. Good morning. How you doing? So I think we might still have Trevor and Jose in the vertical stream. Yeah, we got 2 viewers over there right now. Not sure if they're in there or not,
Music
but
licensing reimagined.
Just put a limit order to close out my credit spreads.
oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm closing these out now.
Artlist.io.
Everything's so bullish this morning. It must be that Canadian news.
Must be.
Music licensing
Canadian
reimagined.
unemployment, actual 7.1, forecast 7.2, previous 7.1.
All right.
And then Carney, our stupid prime minister, sorry, he's
I'm
trying to
mad about
give away more money that we don't have. So although it's at least it's going to Canadians with low income Canadians, but it's just
You know what?
Artlist.io.
Yeah,
I don't have a problem with giving money to low income, and no, have absolutely no issue with that. I
Yeah.
have huge issues with giving subsidies and taxpayer dollars to large
Music
corporations
licensing reimagined.
and political figures spending $17 million in 2 months just to go golfing. That's
yeah, right.
the things that and then complaining about all the waste and corruption and shut up.
Right.
Taxpayers paying for people to go golfing. That's lovely. This is the same guy who was complaining about Obama's golf trips. The best though is all the Secret Service stay in his hotels and they charge him for it. A lot more than what they were charging diplomats coming from other countries.
So I'm long now. I got
You're
tagged
long
in.
as it's going down.
Artlist.io.
I got tagged
Alright.
in. I you up there.
All right.
Bill Knuppel, beautiful morning. Just had car troubles. Few $100, but $300 bill. But next week, happy days.
Music
Well, hey,
licensing
here's to a
reimagined.
successful trading day to pay for that bill.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, I had some orders there at the the pre-market high, and at the New York Open, or the the New York handoff, and yeah, I don't know, maybe it's a bad idea at this point. Looks like we're gonna head all the way to the bottom of the range right now, with the way this momentum's going. Have half of mine to just cut it instantly, but I'm gonna be patient here. But yeah, it's I'm down $100 instantly, basically, and it doesn't look like it's
not healthy.
Yeah, and it doesn't look like it's showing any idea to like want to stop here. Heading lower.
Oh,
Hmm. So we're currently we bounced off the overnight view off, it looks like.
yeah.
We're currently finding a little support there. Let's
Bounce
I
off
need to
overnight.
pray for this one right now because it's looking like it doesn't want to cooperate with me today. I got 4 MNQs up at 25,350.
Music licensing.
And yeah, looking like all the indices decided to make a big turn there. Holy crap, boys. I should almost just drop my stop in break even if I get above positive on this one, just because that's a pretty not a very good way to get involved. Instantly down $100.
What's your loss limit per contract?
Well, I did have it set at the bottom of the range, which is 474 max loss. So that's too high. I was gonna cut it though if it came down below the sort of the value area high. So basically where it bounced, if it went, or sorry, just at like around the 320 level, which is what we were talking about as that entry. So if it ends up going below that, very much I'm going to be taken out here.
Yeah, it looks like it's climbing back up a little bit slowly, but it's still climbing back up on this 1 5-minute candle here.
Yeah. We need to get above that New York though. I feel like I should just cut this. Yeah, I feel like I coulda, shoulda, woulda cut it there. Damn it.
You're feeling like you should have cut it?
Yeah, I
What's
should have cut it
stopping
when it came back to. Well, I had that moment thought, and then it was like pulling back, and it was like way too much pulled back further than I wanted it to already. So.
Music licensing reimagined.
So what you're saying is though I should just cut it anyways, if I'm thinking that.
Cut your losses as quickly as possible, and I mean, in most cases, that's the best option. You can always get into another trade later. Take a step back, reevaluate your situation.
I'm sure targeting opening range break low, but my TP is front running it slightly. Yeah, see, now we got Darren going short against me here. So
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, that was a huge switch in momentum, hey? Like I just had a couple orders down there.
On the
and
drastic side.
It just flushed right through them all and just kept going. Didn't even have a chance to react.
Artlist.io.
Wick down below the open.
Mission sentiment in 5 minutes. So.
Oh, that might be might have something to do with it.
Artlist.io.
University of Michigan going and messing stuff up for us.
Right. Shoot. Buyers might hold this level though.
Reimagined.
Yeah, if we get up to break even, I'm gonna just bring my stop up there. Already feeling a little too stressed out about this trade, so it's not what we're looking for. Stressful trades.
Well, I just closed out my core weave options, so
Nice.
that was nice.
Artlist.io.
trying to get above the New York here.
Trying.
Fighting with the 9 EMA. Come on, Bulls, let's go. I need the Bulls' help right now.
Music
Sorry, Darren.
licensing
Not trying to go
reimagined.
against you here, bud. All right, well, I'm above my entry price now. Am I gonna regret not? Shoot.
Oh, come on. Get up there.
What?
Artlist.io.
Now it's like it's too hard to cut it. Because it looks like it wants to go back up to the top. So I'm gonna put my stop pretty tight here. I'm gonna get ready to drop it. If it heads down towards 342.75, I'll just get up, make this small loss. As long as it doesn't like do an instant flush. There we go.
A bunch of orders here.
Okay, I'm out. Sorry, guys. Now, $69 loser here. But I'm just not liking it. It was down 180 at one point. So.
Oh, from 180 to 65. That's, you know.
And Zach Boyagin's long. Zach.
So here's something for you.
Uh-huh.
I'm long now.
Artlist.io.
You should have said that too, Zach.
I just made the decision.
Oh, I shouldn't have stopped that. Hey? Oh my god,
Yeah.
I'm going back in long here. This could be a bad decision, but
Got 2 minis on this.
Music licensing reimagined.
Started with one, added my second one, got my stop loss into $75 in profit. So I got 0 risk on this
Nice.
trade. And see how high this will go.
Artlist.io.
Just add another one into it. Still have
Music
exactly
licensing
$75 in profit for my stop loss.
nice.
I'm not going to move that, just make sure it's got a little bit of room to breathe.
Oh, Michigan sentiment, 10 seconds.
And I'm out.
Artlist.io.
Very nice.
As a quick $500.
Beautiful. I'm still holding here.
Music licensing reimagined.
And we're not getting much more move here yet. Darren said, my stop is above or high. I'm probably getting stopped out.
Artlist.io.
I should have taken profit too, Nick. Uh-oh. It's looking really bad for me right now, actually. Oh my god.
Oh no!
Artlist.io.
No.
Oh, I think I gotta stop this. So this is gonna be a big loser, actually. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm
Please
out.
tell me you're out of that.
Music licensing
No, I got
reimagined.
max loss in that account. Crap.
Oh.
Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to be trading anymore today, unfortunately. I kind of was thinking that lately, if I hit max loss, I need to just like not in any account. That's when I should probably call it.
I mean, wow.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
Yeah.
Cut my loss
Tired.
on the long, and then try to get back in, and then my initial reason to cut was correct. Shoot, man.
So we got somebody in the chat right now that's in a short. Had their stop loss at the what did you say, opening range?
Yeah.
High.
Yeah.
So I made money on a long. You lost it on a long. And right now somebody who took a short trade at the same time is in profit.
Yeah.
It's not always about the trade. Sometimes it's about the management.
Yeah. I was a little too slow there.
Don't be, what did they say the other day? You can be a bear, you can be a bull, but don't be a pig.
Mm-hmm.
Take your profits, go about your day.
And of course, we bounced right back up there after it took me out on max loss.
So did you blow that account, or was that your max daily loss?
Max daily loss, yeah.
Okay.
Down 450 in that account. In that,
So, I say
50K
good. I don't
account.
mean good, but you know, at least you didn't light up an account.
Yeah, I don't have much more room in that account now, unfortunately.
Well, you're gonna have to remedy that whole situation.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Damn. All right, well, let's reassess here.
Artlist.io.
Oh, what the heck happened here? My dog's bugging me. I'll be right back. 1 second.
Music licensing reimagined.
Things staying in a nice little range here on NQ. What is this cheap viewers on Streamboo? I keep seeing that stupid message. Cheap viewers on Streamboo.
Yeah, I know, right?
They're trying to sell viewers. I think that's what that is.
Yeah, it's a whole different website, right?
Yeah. No. Not buying shit from
Streambo.
Absolutely not. Streamboo or whatever the hell you are.
Streamboo, your #1 scam website.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Music licensing.
Bad start, bad start.
reimagined.
But it's okay. It was just a start. Were you trading micros or minis on that one?
Micros. But I got in, I added in a couple. I was at 6 micros. So, maybe I should take a look at, since I took those losses. So I split up all my Lucid accounts now. I'm not copy trading it for now.
Oh, okay.
So I could think about sort of taking some scalps here, just trying to work on those individually. So like yesterday after
Artlist.io.
in the afternoon, I ended up taking like a trade on every one of those accounts, just looking for a small move, not, like $100 kind of ideas,
Gotcha.
and not, if not spending too much time on those trades sort of. So
Music licensing reimagined.
I just got an email from the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs about the cannabis regulatory best practices.
oh yeah,
Oh yeah. I used to work in that industry.
oh nice.
No, it's
In,
not.
in the sales part or in the other?
Artlist.io.
No, I did hydrocarbon extractions and research. I did genetics research for a while. I did hydrocarbon extractions.
Yeah.
Yeah. Loads
Music
of fun.
licensing reimagined.
It's not. So I'm copy trading 27 accounts right now.
Artlist.io.
Wow. Nice.
And these are my small accounts.
I took a long there on the break of the New York, and now it's
Alright.
pulling back pretty hard with me. But shoot, man, this doesn't look like it's my day.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see if we can't get some buyers to step in here and hold this up.
You went in on an MNQ or an MES?
MNQ, yeah. But now we just opened up below that New York, so
Don't be overexcited to get into trades right now.
yeah, you're right. I should be
Take a break. Take a break. Drink your coffee.
take a breather.
Allow yourself to have a little bit of a reset. You just took a loss. You're in another trade already. It's been 4 minutes.
Artlist.io.
Slow
Yeah,
it
that's
down
true.
a little. We all know you're a good trader. You don't need to prove anything to anybody. Just take your time. Relax a little bit.
Sound advice.
I'm trying to be the voice
Music
of reason.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah, and I definitely think I probably need that right now.
I know. The only reason I'm not talking down to you. I've been in that same boat many a time. I know what it feels like. You lose a trade and then you're like, oh, I got to make that money back. You never make that money back. That money is gone.
Yeah.
You can make some different money.
Artlist.io.
Darren does things. Got a TP
Music
LFG.
licensing reimagined.
Take profit, looking for group. Oh, he's like saying, go head down to my take profit.
Got it. Gotcha.
We're gonna go lower here, it looks like. Damn it.
Yep. See if my limit order gets picked up.
You got a short limit order or?
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I feel like since we've been holding that that level down there, I just felt like for sure we're gonna be heading higher here, but there's never a for sure, obviously.
Music licensing reimagined.
kind of just stuck in that range, fortunately. And it keeps looking heavy. Even though we're bouncing, it keeps looking heavy.
Artlist.io.
I just pulled my short off.
Artlist.io.
Just need to see the pop up to 61 here. That's all I'm really looking for.
This past 15 minutes, I got no business being in a trade right now. Not on the NQ anyway. Switch over to ES.
Yeah, ES is looking a little safer right now.
Yeah. Generally speaking, ES is safer to trade anyway, unless you have a lot of drawdown and can handle big movements. ES is going to be easier to trade. And now that I say that, I'm glad I did, because I'm trading my small accounts today.
Ooh,
so I should be trading ES and not NQ.
Jeez, man.
Music licensing reimagined.
You do anything pre-market today?
No, nothing.
This is what the market's telling me today. Just a yawn.
Artlist.io.
I'm pretty close to getting stopped out on this trade also.
Did you keep your stop loss tight?
Yeah, I got stopped out there. Not super tight.
Music licensing.
Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think I should be taking any more trades today. That's definitely the maximum I'm willing to put red on the calendar.
All right. So
crappy Friday, crappy way to set out to my camping trip here.
Ooh, where are you going camping?
In Chilliwack, there's it's called the Better River. It's a little fishing trip that I'm going to be heading out on here.
What are you fishing for?
Coho salmon.
I think I'm going to go tuna fishing this weekend.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
I'd prefer salmon.
Yeah. This is sort of a bull flag.
Music licensing reimagined.
But I need to sit tight here.
No, there's no way I would get into a long right now. You still looking at the NQ?
Yeah, but I'm thinking to switch over here. I don't even know if I'm going to take any more trades. It's going to have to look really nice. Something.
Yeah, it's got to be a perfect setup. Otherwise, I'm not taking anything. I'm green for the week. I'm not... I don't really want to mess with that too much. But we did just go below New York VWAP.
Music
ES is rolling over. And Q's head lower. Looking like Darren's TP is going to get hit there.
All right, we're not in trade, so we're just going to root for Darren.
Yeah.
Keep going.
IO.
I'll be back.
Sounds good.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Zar 2 for 2 short NQ, only scalping 22 points per play. Beautiful trade, Zar. Wish I was had the same ideology as you this morning. I got sucked into longs and took two losses. 3 losses actually. So I guess yeah, 3 strikes I gotta be out, guys. Obviously we'll hang out.
Music licensing reimagined.
Not the best way to end the week anyways, for me. Hopefully nobody else followed me on those trades.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, one sec here, I'll get those for you. Let's see here, X.
Music licensing reimagined.
There's the X channel. After today, Dave, you're due to win the duck race on Zach's channel when it happens. Yeah, right, hey? Might need a new account here. So that's the X channel, and YouTube is
Music licensing reimagined.
I gotta get a link tree going.
Artlist IO.
So we found support at the low there, right at what is that? We barely swept out the opening range low. Started bouncing there.
Artlist IO.
Pretty high volume candle we got right there. But just basically heading back into that chop range.
It's nothing but chop today.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sorry, I had to concentrate. I had to close out a bunch of options orders.
Oh yeah, no worries.
Artlist IO.
Man, that's a big bounce. Could think about taking a short if we pop up to this trend line and reject.
Music licensing reimagined.
But I would like us to see us get out of this area first.
You on ES now?
Yeah.
Micros?
Yes.
Just checking.
Yeah, size up. Let's go 6 minis here. max trade size.
Artlist.io.
See how fast we can lose $1,200.
With 6 minis? Like,
Yeah.
what, 3 seconds?
Yeah.
Or less?
Yeah, I think I was a little too long biased, after that. Still a little disappointed. Yesterday had a 1 minute hesitation on gold and missed a whopper $90 move. While on lesser bright side, caught a few good NQ play. Going to eat me this whole week. Gotcha. Sometimes it's hard to pull the trigger when you need to. And then when you don't need to, it's easier to pull it.
Yep. We are under VWAP. The trend is down.
Artlist.io.
And here's where I'm. All right, 4 micros.
4 micro short.
Yep.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna put 170 in risk.
Oh, and that's your small copy accounts?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. We are finding some nice wicks at this consolidation zone here on the top side.
Shut your pretty mouth.
No, I mean it's like rejecting, which is good for the
okay.
shorts. Yeah.
Thank you. Sorry.
Like wicks on the top side of all those candles.
Music licensing reimagined.
We do have what I would say is a bullish channel. Doesn't mean we're not heading lower right now, though. But at some point, this will probably break to the higher side.
As long as it's under VWAP, I'm good right here.
Nice.
I'm actually okay with my short. I'm only down like $60 per account right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
As I say that, it just starts jumping up. Broke through VWAP. See if we get a lower high here.
Yeah, I could reject here.
Artlist.io.
Figures. I open up the book map and we got orders way up above us and nothing underneath. So this may be my crap trade for the day.
Artlist.io.
We'll see here. Hopefully it doesn't.
Yeah,
continue
I'm cutting
on
this.
it.
Lost $130.
Okay. Darren said I'm on mobile, had to fetch my son, but that opening range long looks nice. If ES gets back above 6,800, it's longs only for the afternoon for me.
Reimagined.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yep.
68 has definitely been a pretty key level. Yeah, I think something I should probably start considering is like trying to not trade NQ during this session, like this part of the session, because
it
your
just
sizing
bounces
has to
around.
be
Artlist.io.
your sizing has to be so good to be
And
able
you
to
have to
survive.
have you have to have your take profits in, and it bounces around so much. You need a bigger stop loss. You need to have a take profit in place.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
NQ didn't really make as much progress as ES did there.
Artlist.io.
So is it going to follow it up?
It's a good question. I guess it did sort of a similar move, I would say. Heading back into the range here.
Music licensing reimagined.
This could just be a retest of that channel in the New York though.
No. For ES, we're right at New York, so
Well, thanks for being on with me today. I think you're probably helping me out a bit because I probably would have taken one or two more trades since then and just started tilting.
don't do it. Don't go
No.
on tilt.
But I really did want to take a short there.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
Music licensing.
So what I will do is I will frame up an idea here. Let me just make sure that my little side stream is doing okay. I gotta kind of occasionally adjust another trading view chart so that that vertical stream is active. Although we don't have any viewers, so and they probably saw my couple losses. They're like, oh, I'm out.
Yeah, forget this.
No, I think it was mostly just some people that got hooked up to that stream rather than this or the main stream. So just taking a look at that, we got 5 in Randy's X, we got 2 in my X, we got 7 in your X, 1 in the Twitch, which is our our local spammer there, 3 in my YouTube, and 4 in Randy's YouTube.
See if we get another rejection off of VWAP here.
My dad's still here in my channel.
Hey, Dad.
Artlist.io.
Watching me lose a bunch of money today.
It was a controlled loss.
Well, I don't know. 400 something in 2 accounts, not very controlled.
It was a semi-controlled loss.
Music licensing reimagined.
But did you learn a lesson?
Yeah, don't trade too fast. What do we got here on the
All right,
side?
I am now in a short.
Nice. All right.
Artlist.io.
I was waiting for a little bit more of a pullback before I enter that short, sort of targeting the bottom of this recent low, 4.5 or so.
Artlist.io.
points.
I'm only in here with 2 micros right now, so I'm either gonna lose a little bit or make a little bit, but
Music
it's not gonna be
licensing
anything more than a little bit
reimagined.
unless this just dumps.
Yeah. I just joined you, actually. 1 micro, keeping it super small for now.
And what's your reasoning behind that? The rejection off of VWAP?
Yeah, there's a rejection off the VWAP, and we're kind of holding this downtrending channel here.
Music licensing reimagined.
The pain about trading in the jungle outside. The bugs are killing me.
Yeah.
Oh, they can get ridiculous. Yesterday I had a monkey in my bathroom. Today I'm being surrounded by weird jungle bugs.
Artlist.io.
I wonder, did Darren get out of that trade on that? I think he must have probably. He said his target was the bottom of the range.
So yeah, he probably took his profits. Oh wait, is he on NQ or ES?
He was on NQ, but it's still NQ did break the bottom of, or got really
Music
close to the bottom of the
licensing
range, anyways.
reimagined.
All right.
It's chop and reversion on the New York VWAP for now. Yeah. I was short ES and was out at 86. Nice. Yeah, that's perfect. That's
Oh, wow.
Basically the low.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna take a little nap. You tell me whether I won this one or lost this one in
Music licensing
30 minutes.
reimagined.
Yeah. It's looking scary, actually. It's just like, it's one of those moments where it's like it could just go either way, right?
Yeah.
I mean, overall, we are making lower highs and lower lows currently. So are we going to head back to the bottom of that channel, sort of the bottom of the opening range? Quite possibly. Dow is pretty sideways, trading below the New York, ES below the New York, NQ below the New York. Everything's slightly
Music
below the New York
licensing
right now.
reimagined.
We do have orders at 67, 80, 81, and then 6,800 above.
Artlist.io.
Needs
Come
to
on,
make a
Pink, hurry up and
decision
drive.
Yeah, this needs to either make a decision and stop me out or go in my direction.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm going to cut this off and call it a day.
Music licensing.
You have a take profit in?
reimagined.
Yeah, sort of down. I have my targets down at 67.83. There we go. Starting to get a bit of a move down there.
take that.
I was just thinking to add to it.
Nope, I just took my profits.
Artlist.io.
This is over here. Another $40 for the day.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna have poor management on this one again. I just I gotta stop looking at the P&L. I think
Oh, you have your P&L up on your chart?
you do, yeah.
Why?
So I
on
saw.
earth
I'm
would
like,
you
oh, it's $40.
torture
It's
yourself
like
that?
not enough.
Licensing reimagined.
And now we're bouncing up out of the range here.
Why would you torture yourself like that? Take that P&L off your damn chart. You're better than that. I've watched you trade for months. You are much better than that. Get that P&L off your damn chart and
Okay.
trade what you see, not what you're making. If you're seeing a P&L up on there, you're trading nothing but your emotions.
Fair enough. So do you just like go into streamer mode or whatever and just like block that out?
Yeah.
And then on your like orders and stuff, does it have it as ticks or points?
Music licensing
It's all ticks.
reimagined.
Okay, I will do that right now.
I mean, this. Take what I say with a grain of salt. I'm not. I'm no genius or anything, but it does help me. If I see that I've made or lost X amount of money, that's you're gonna get out of trades based on emotion and not by what the candles are telling you. And I'm okay with making $40. That's okay. That's $40 I didn't have 20 minutes ago.
Fair enough. So you can, it just still shows it as green or red, like on the top bar, right?
Hold on, let me look at your screen here.
Like, cause
Oh,
like
are you in Project X?
Yes.
Yeah. It's been a while since I've done it on Project X. In your settings, you should be able to get rid of your. Oh no, it'll still show up as green or red.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So they're blocked out now.
Artlist.io.
Then you can go to your canvas and get the and change it from price to ticks as well.
I did that already too. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like the buyers are sitting at this 889 level again.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna have to start doing my numbers in ticks here. I have to. I almost should put it to points. It's a little easier for me to. You don't have to
Music
divide it by
licensing
4.
reimagined.
But I guess again, then you're still kind of trading the profit and loss.
Learn to be a dummy. Forget how to do math. Learn how to watch a candle.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
See if we can't get this TP to hit down here. I'm at 67.83.50. A little bit lower than those recent low candles.
Artlist.io.
Currently up 9 ticks, looking for 30 ticks, and my stop is at 17 ticks. And I'm in 3 micros.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see if we can switch up this music bit here. What's this one here? This reminds me of working at the strip bar.
Artlist.io.
All right. Not a job I've ever had.
No. Yeah, I started as a doorman, and then
Eventually became a stripper.
no.
Excuse me.
Became a bartender.
Erotic dancer.
Reimagined.
Yeah, I could never bartend. I can drink, but I can't bartend.
So we're flirting
all
with the
short
top of that
day.
channel. Like, what's that?
Looks like an all short day.
Let's hope so.
Music licensing reimagined.
X7 actually looking like it's trying to break out right now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Dow and ES are lagging a bit, but
Nvidia just hit 195.
am I going to take another loss on this trade? Jeez.
Did you go short?
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
It looks like VWAP might be rejecting it. See what the
Yeah,
the
if it
book
goes
is
much
saying.
higher than VWAP. I stopped basically just above that previous high structure there.
Yeah, you got more orders below you than you do above you right now. You got orders down at 67.85, 67.86, and not much up above you.
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
6,800's got 161 orders on it, but
I guess that's the real line in the sand, eh? Is 6,800.
if it can break through that, it'll rip your face off and going
Music
higher.
licensing
But
reimagined.
if it keeps bouncing off that 6,800 level, I mean, you're good for shorts there all day.
So those orders at 86 86.87 actually don't really give me very much room to the downside even.
86, 87. No, they don't. You got,
Only looking at like 4.5 points.
yeah, I was going to say you got 5 points maximum on that one, and there's going to be a bounce off of 67, 86.
Music licensing reimagined.
It'll
Just
hit
looking-
that, eat those orders up, bounce up a little bit, and then come back down. So depending on how hard it bounces, you might get chopped out.
Yeah, it's looking like I'm gonna get stopped actually on this right now.
So why are you going to take a full loss on it?
I just got it.
Artlist.io.
Okay, well, definitely that's it for sure for me, 100%.
All right. Well, I think that should probably be about it for today. You took 2 losses, and
No, more than that.
Oh,
Three,
did you?
four losses now, right?
took 4 losses. I'm
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm looking dead at 11 o'clock New York time. It's Friday. Why don't we just have a good weekend and reset, come back Monday, and make some money?
Yeah. I mean, that was only a $79 loser, but
Yeah,
still,
I
it's,
controlling your losses. It's great.
yeah, it would have
keep
just
showing the
hit
game.
my stop right there, actually, on the top of that candle. So, did save a couple bucks there.
Artlist.io.
But yeah, it's just not my day, I guess.
We all have them. I mean, what was it last week? I lost 22K on the live stream with you.
Yeah.
So, me.
So we got Chuck in the chat said I bartended for 30
Music
years.
licensing reimagined.
Wow.
That's a lot of tips.
That's a lot of having to pretend you like people.
That's a lot of having to pretend you like people. That's a lot of personal stories you hear
Yeah.
from people when they're hammered and blabbing. The good thing is I worked most of my bartending time was actually in a nightclub.
Artlist.io.
So it was kind of like it's too loud to talk to them anyways, so they mostly just come up, grab their drink and go. So
Yeah, I can't even pretend to be that nice. So yeah, would not be a good job for me.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely out for today. This is getting stupid.
Artlist.io.
yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do my markup, and you have a good weekend.
You too. Thanks for hanging out.
Make sure you mess with Randy a little bit when you get a chance.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah.
All right, Dave, you have a good one.
Hey, thanks, Nick. Talk to you later.
See you later.
Okay, guys. I'll hang out for another 10 minutes here, but yeah, I'm gonna have to wrap it up. Also, can't be giving any more back today. Obviously, this chop isn't good, and my decision-making process is a little off, I would say. So, duck race time. Yeah, I did just get in there. Are you getting in there or what?
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, you betcha. Nice. Nice. Good luck then.
Artlist.io.
Hmm.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Oh, my stream's lagged out here. There we go. Yeah, this freaking chop, guys. What the heck? What did I get
Music
myself into here?
licensing reimagined.
I'm a little too trigger happy today. That's how those spirals happen, hey? Looking like we got a whole bunch more orders adding up down below at the 86, 85 area. Okay, Darren, have a good day. Nice trade earlier there, bud. See you, Darren.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll put the duck race on the stream when it happens, and let's see if Trevor can't get the W.
Artlist.io.
Don't worry about me.
Licensing
I'll be okay.
reimagined.
I actually would feel guilty. There's Nick. Dave, don't tilt. I gotta get ready for camping and stuff. So after this duck race goes off, I'll probably just be ending the stream, and then I gotta start getting ready, packing my clothes, packing the food. I went shopping yesterday. I gotta pack up some stuff. I'm gonna take have some hot pot while I'm out there. So I went to one of our local Asian stores called T&T and picked up some like thinly sliced beef and some thinly sliced pork and some veggies and stuff and some hot pot mix. So, and dumplings. So I'm gonna have like dumplings and meat hot pot. So it should be pretty interesting. It's gonna be good.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Got caught in the chop today, guys. That's my bad. And without being more aggressive on taking those profits, really messing me up here. Two lost there, lost there, and lost there. So, max loss in my instant 50K account. We took a $450 loser in one of my Lucid accounts, and then an $86 loser in my Lucid accounts. So, not very good. Yeah, it should be fun. Fun little camping trip. I'm gonna take a bunch of my computers. I'm gonna try to work on some of my content while I'm away there. So I'm gonna take my laptops, and I'm gonna try to set up a stream also. So
Music licensing reimagined.
I might try to stream from the campsite, but that'll be interesting. Ooh, big sell-off right there. Hey guys, what was that? NQ fallen hard here. What the heck happened? Oh my god, look at that, guys. Holy smokes. Did we get some bad news? Hopefully nobody's in a trade right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Look at that, guys. Holy. 95 all the way down to 56. 40 points on the ES right there. Holy smokes. Wow. Quite the sell-off there. I wonder what. I'm looking to see if there's some sort of news that came up. China Commerce Ministry, we hope the U.S. to correct the wrong practice. 756, well, that wasn't it.
Music licensing.
Look at that move, guys. Holy crap, we're still just going lower here.
Artlist.io.
Etta Francis hot political group after meeting with Mark on that he does not expect preliminary dissolution and expects a new
Music
PM in
licensing
coming
reimagined.
hours. Huh. No 758. I don't really know what's driving this, guys, but it's just crashing us down right now. All-time high sell-off on Friday, I guess. They really wanted to suck everybody in, hey, with this bullish channel. They broke it out, and then we're sitting on VWAP, and then just look at that slap, guys. Like, holy. We're moving up on potentially 100 points pretty soon here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, so some news with China here. Trump have been contacted by other countries who are extremely angry at China's hostility, which came out of nowhere. So it's a bad tweet about, or a post about China's trade hostility.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
This is crazy, guys. Look at that. That's 71 points on the ES. That's a wild move. 522.
Artlist.io.
300 points on NQ. 300 points on NQ. Can you believe that? And it doesn't look like it wants to stop right now. Wow.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
This is one of those trades where if you were short and you had a take profit in there, you're pretty sad right now because that got hit and then it continued for forever lower, eh? Wow.
Music licensing reimagined.
Wonder if they're gonna get any kind of recovery from this drop here.
Artlist.io.
So I did take another trade there, guys. Took a little short scalp here. After we found a bounce there, we started turning over on the next candle. I took a short there at
Music licensing
25,053. Covered it at 25,022. Sorry. Yeah, 25,053. Covered it at 25. So it's crazy to look at that number. Like this candle looks so small here, and it was only one micro, right? One micro, and I made $68. Like this, be really careful right now, guys, if you're taking any trades down here. That's why I went tiny size, because it could bounce or go crazy here.
Music
Looking like we're gonna get the duck
reimagined.
race here. I'll bring that up for you guys. We can watch that real quick. Let's everybody root for Trevor here, or anybody else in our chat that's looking for something here. Oh my god, that price action's just wild. I just watched it recover that whole candle and then reject 50% of it in a matter of 2 seconds. Buyers are trying to step in there, but the seller's rejecting at the top of this
Music
consolidation area.
licensing reimagined.
Don't get chopped up in this price action, guys. Don't do it. All right, here we go. Oh, look at, I see Market Butcher. We're up there. We're up there. Sort of in the front. Where's Trevor? Looking for Trevor. I don't see Trevor yet. Pulling back in the pack there. Oh, there's Trevor. Trevor, you got rejected there on that last little run. There's still a minute and a half left though, or a minute left, so.
Music licensing reimagined.
I did see him. Oh, sorry to hear that, Jose. Yeah, today is not an easy trading day. It's in the chop, and then that huge slap lower. and then now it's chopping again in that little range down below. So
Artlist.io.
I don't see me and I don't see Trevor currently, so that's a good sign because we're gonna just blast. One of us is gonna hopefully. Oh, I see Trevor right there. I think that's part of your name there. Vanguard Billa is up there. Talia's coming up from behind.
Reimagined.
17 seconds here. 8, 10 seconds. Who's coming up? BT Art 1. All right, nice try, guys. Nice try. At least we saw our names this time, hey, Trev?
Artlist.io.
Manage the first lot, cut before stop loss hit, but then the second trade. But the second trade, I should have had my stop loss at 350 points lower. Yeah. So you got taken out in that big drop there, Jose?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it was worth the shot. What a dump there, man. Holy crap. Can't believe that. That's just wild. Okay, Trevor, you have a good weekend too. And thanks, yeah. I'll try to send some updates on social media or whatever. So if you guys are following there on X or on Instagram or whatever, or YouTube, I'll be posting some stuff across there as the week goes. Super battle here currently down here at this 67.19 to 67.38 area. But what a nasty sell-off there.
Music licensing reimagined.
I kind of want to hang out just for a bit longer here, just to see what they start doing here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I'm trying a little long here, guys. Liking that we're getting a bit of recovery here. See if we can't get up there. Might end up taking another small little loss here, though. Just one
Music licensing reimagined.
one micro here. I got scared there for a minute. I thought, am I on the ES? And pulling back here, looking like we might get stopped out here. Yeah, we're stopped out there. Oh, that's too bad. So lost another $50 loss there. Anyways, worth a try. So let's wrap it up here, guys, so I don't do any more damage. Today's just definitely not my day, but you know, is what it is. Didn't do too much damage, so there we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thanks so much for everybody who did tune in today. Hopefully you guys had a better day than me. Stayed safe. Would have been a good day to stay flat again, just like yesterday. But yeah, maybe that's part of the reason I was a little more trigger happy today, is staying flat all day yesterday mostly. So is what it is. But thanks so much, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, and I'll send some updates from fishing. Hopefully we'll load up the freezer for the year, and then have lots of nice coho salmon to eat, maybe some spring salmon also. So anyways, guys, thanks so much for hanging out, and have a good weekend. I'll try to be live again on Sunday probably, because I think that I won't be fishing on Sunday, and I might not be fishing Monday morning. So I might be on Sunday night and or Monday morning, but I'll get the stream scheduled ahead of time if that is the case. All right, guys. So thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later. Peace out.